So let's now study the computation and analysis for labor efficiency variance. So the formula is the difference between the actual hours and the standard hours allowed for the actual output times the standard rate. For our problem, each employee will have a separate variance, then we get the sum. So, for George and for Earl, merong separate na labor efficiency variance. So, given naman yung actual hours na tinrabaho ng dalawa, no, 145 tsaka 108, less yung number of hours, no, na standard na dapat tinrabaho nila. Kasi nga, nakalagay dyan is si George, 6 hours dapat per guitar, si Earl, 4 hours. No? Nag-produce sila ng how many guitar ba? 25 guitars. Okay? So, yon, mumultiply mo lang yung 6 hours ni George per guitar na standard times 25. Ganon din kay Earl. No? So, saka mo siya i-minus dun sa actual hours work, and then the difference will be multiplied by the standard rate per hour. And again, reminder, pag green, favorable variance. Pag red, unfavorable variance. So nangyayari yan, halimbawa kay George, green siya kasi yung actual hours work niya ay mas maliit kaysa number of hours na dapat tinrabaho niya. Kasi dapat niyang tinrabaho 6 hours times 25. So that's 150. Nagtrabaho lang siya ng 145. So nakatipid tayo kay George, kumbaga. No? Kaya favorable yung variance sa kanya. Opposite naman yung kay Earl. No? So, we combine the two variances for each employee. We get the total labor efficiency variance of $10. Unfavorable, by the way.